Hello, amazing viewers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Classy Bit of Fashion Trends, and here today I'm going to be showing you how to tie simple gele, or you call it edge. This is an ankara gele, and it's just so simple. You can actually tie this your ankara gele or your regular tops at home, and you can as well tie it on your regular attire. I'm just simply going to pack my hair because of the type of hairstyle I made. I'm just going to pack my hair in this manner, and after packing it, I'm just simply going to tie my Ankara head gel. This is actually very simple step. It's so simple and easy to follow. All you need to do is just get your 1.5 yard of Ankara, and you can fold it into four pieces just like what you have here. I will fold my Ankara, fold it into four. I'm folding it, and even if it's just a yard, there's still a way you can actually tie this your gele. So I'm simply going to tie it to the back in this manner. I'm just going to fold it into two at the back. Okay, and after doing this, I'm going to take those two hands forward, take the two hands forward, and try to wrap it a bit. If you have a bigger Ankara size, you can fold it into smaller folds. So I'm going to fold and tie like this. I'm going to tie into as many steps as my Ankara can take. The more Ankara you use, the bigger the knot is going to be or turn out to be. So just keep folding. If you have, or if you make use of a bigger Ankara size, definitely you will have something bigger to fold. But for the purpose of this tutorial and for the Ankara fabric I have at home, I just have to manage and just show you this particular style of tying my gele. So I'm going to be using a pin to hold it at the back in case I'm unable to fix the remaining part of the Ankara into the cloth. Just use a pin to hold it so that the knot can stay. Okay, and this is just a simple Ankara style. It's just a regular Ankara style that you can carry to any occasion. All right, thank you for watching. Kindly click the subscribe button at the end of this video and turn on the bell icon to receive more updates on latest fashion. Thanks for watching.